Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Yash. I'm gonna talk about one magic drink that will help improve your digestion, help extract nutrients from the food that you eat, help clear all the toxins from your gut, help your body stay alkaline, and most importantly, minimize your constipation problems. So all 5 benefits with just one magic drink. Let's go. The name of the magic drink is lemon shots. How do you make a lemon shot? Just take a lemon, take a small cup, squeeze the lemon juice, add a little bit of water and just drink it. That's it. That's your lemon shot. When do you drink it? You drink it after your lunch meal and after your dinner meal. Now when I'll start explaining the benefits of lemon shots, you will understand why do you have to drink lemon shots after your cooked meals. That means after your lunch and after your dinner. So let's start with explaining the benefits. The first benefit is effortless digestion. Whenever you eat a cooked meal, your body needs to release digestive juices so that it can break the food easily. Now what lemon shot will do is, you eat a cooked meal, you drink a lemon shot, immediately the body will start producing and releasing digestive juices faster. When the digestive juices are being released, the food can be broken down very easily, thus saving a lot of digestive energy. To conclude, lemon shots will give digestive juices. Digestive juices will help digest the food effortlessly. Simple as that. Better nutrient absorption. Now what do I mean by nutrient absorption? The first stage of the food is, you eat a food, the food is digested first. Second comes absorption. That means the body will start extracting nutrients from the digested food. That is nutrient absorption. Now the digestion was effortless because of lemon shot, and the same lemon shot will help absorb the nutrients more effectively because lemon shot will provide vitamins and minerals to break down the food plus absorb the food faster. In simple words, your quality of health will improve when you start taking lemon shots. Third benefit is it helps keep our body stay alkaline. What is alkaline? Alkaline is a pH level slightly above 7. 7 is neutral and less than 7 is acidic. So when you eat a cooked meal, let's say in your dinner you ate a cooked meal, your body will go in an acidic stage because the food will leave acidic residue in your stomach. So once your body is acidic, your body has to spend a lot of energy to come back to its alkaline phase. Now lemon shot has high mineral content. That high mineral content will help your body come back from acidic to alkaline very easily. Now in simple words, your body will save a lot of energy and you can use that energy to exercise and do all your daily life activities. The fourth benefit is it helps clear all the toxins from your gut. Now, whenever you eat a cooked meal, the byproduct of digestion is acidic residue. And when you eat natural, wholesome food like fruits, nuts, vegetables, sprouts, the acidic residue left behind is very less. So when you eat your cooked meal, there is toxins in your stomach. Lemon shot will help clear out all the toxins. And when the toxins are eliminated from the stomach, your immunity automatically improves. So in simple words, to conclude, lemon shots will give you better immunity. Better immunity means you won't fall sick frequently. That means cough, cold, fever problems will not arrive on a regular basis. Fifth benefit is smooth bowel movement. That means no more constipation problems. Now, whenever you eat a meal, there are 3 things happening. First stage is your digestion. Second stage is nutrient absorption. And the third stage is excretion. That means when you wake up, you go to the washroom, you clear out your stomach. That is excretion. When your digestion is effortless, your nutrient absorption is effortless. The third stage will also be effortless, that is excretion. Now, when the excretion is smooth, your entire day goes amazing. Your mood is good, that means you're happy throughout the day. your chances of falling ill is also reduced. There is one thing about excretion that you need to remember. There are two toilets. One is Indian toilet, one is Western toilet. If you sit in Indian toilet, if you squat down to remove the stools from your belly in the morning, it will be very easy for you and your day will be awesome, as I explained before. And if you sit in Western toilet, that is if you sit in a chair position to remove the stools, it will be very difficult for your belly to excrete it. And trust me, if you continue using Western toilet in the morning, that is the worst health decision you will ever make. So here are the 5 benefits, and there are hundreds of benefits of having lemon shots. I've explained only 5 because I can personally experience these 5 benefits in my life every single day. The action idea is very simple. Start having lemon shots after your lunch and after your dinner meal, and you will start experiencing these 5 benefits every single day. If this video has delivered value to your life, then please share this video with your friends, and try to share this video with your parents as well if they are facing constipation issues, digestive issues, immunity problems. This video will definitely add value to their life as well. Do like the video to make the YouTube Baba happy. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.